Hey guys, it's Nagby98 and this is my new channel. Here I'm going to be reviewing multiple figures I have collected over the years, and also I might review other stuff like movies, games, etc. Here I'm reviewing my Amazing Spider-Man 3/3 4-inch figure, and also my custom Amazing Spider-Man 3/3 4-inch figure black suit. Now, yeah, let's move him. This figure's pretty cool. I saw the movie opening night. I liked it. This costume pretty much catches it, except the eyes, but you know, I kind of like that. Yeah, this figure's pretty cool. I'm gonna show you the, see the detail and stuff. Back spider, you know. For articulation, this guy his head could go up and down 360, you know, kind of like on a ball joint. Arms could go out that far, go 360 at the bicep. 2 points of articulation. First 3/3 4-inch figure that I know that could do that. And the wrist can go, you know, forward, back, 360. It has upper, you know, like upper chest, upper whatever articulation. This has like the new Hasbro joints, so you know it could go forward, and then you could move it to go back. Not really though. 360 at the upper leg, 2 bends at 2 point at the knee. Goes in a 360 in a weird way on the foot, and the foot, you know, goes up and down and ankle pivot. So yeah, this guy's pretty articulated. Yeah, red and blue. And for my custom black suit one, to tell you the truth, all I did was color the whole suit with black Sharpie, and then put on red Sharpie on the eyes, but made it kind of purplish, you know, just to give it a new scent. So yeah, that's them. Now I'm gonna give you a size comparison with him. They're the same size. A size comparison of him compared to Hawkeye, the Avengers Classics Hawkeye, and the Avengers Classics Hulk. As you can see, Hulk is way bigger than both of them. And Spider-Man, yeah, he's the short one there, which makes sense because, you know, he's a teenager. And also a size comparison to my custom Daken Wolverine. Daken Wolverine is a freaking midget. But, you know, Wolverines, all the Wolverines are midgets. Yeah. So yeah, that's him. Let's get these guys out of the picture. But yeah, I have beat the game, and yeah, I beat the video game, which is a sequel to the movie, and I saw the movie, so you know, this figure looks pretty much like it's supposed to. So yeah, I give it a rating. I give it an 8, mainly because on the package of the figure it says it's super articulated, even though, you know, what I think is it should have waist articulation, and, you know, a bit more articulation in certain areas, but, and like but you know, still pretty good figure, pretty small. I like it. So yeah, it's Nagby 98 out. This has been my amazing Spider-Man 334-inch figure. Later.